The Algarve is home to some of Europe's most famous beaches, and they're even better in person. From dramatic coastal views to the vibrant town of Albufeira, we're exploring why Portugal's Algarve is such a popular destination and if they live up to the hype. We are Our Family Adventures, spending 3 days in the Algarve, Portugal. The Algarve sits along Portugal's southern coast and is known for its dramatic cliffs, golden beaches, and crystal clear water. Here's the Arco da Albandeira. Our first stop is the iconic Arco da Albandeira, a natural arch sculpted by the ocean over time. Located near Porches, this hidden gem is perfect for those seeking an escape from the busier tourist spots. While you're here, take a moment to soak in the beauty of the surrounding cliffs or enjoy the tranquility of Albandeira Beach, just a few steps away. So if you come here, there's that restaurant over there, right over here, and looks like there's 2 beaches. That one and this one right here. And there's a bar over here. Don't forget sturdy walking shoes if you want to explore the rocky cliffs safely, and visit during sunrise or sunset for the most magical lighting and fewer crowds. Praia da Marinha, or Marinha Beach, was ranked as one of Europe's and the world's most beautiful beaches, and it's surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and calm waters, and it is a must-see on any Algarve itinerary. We're here at Marinha Beach, and this is what it looks like. Praia da Marinha is part of the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, a scenic hiking route with incredible coastal views. You can go for a hike, a swim, or just to relax at the beach, or even take a ride out in a kayak, like we did. From Praia da Marinha, we set out on a kayaking adventure to the famous Benagil Cave. It took us approximately 20 minutes and the ocean was slightly rough, causing one of our kids to get a bit seasick. Despite the challenge, the sight of the cave made it all worthwhile. So beautiful here. And there is the Benagil Cave. Took us about 15 minutes to get here from Marinha Beach. Not too bad. The ocean is kind of rough. There are 2 entrances into the cave from the sea and a skylight in the top of the cave. Inside of the cave is a small beach. The cave's skylight creates a magical glow, making it one of the Algarve's most photographed spots. You may also recognize this cave from the Windows 2010 screensaver. If you're planning to kayak, check the weather and ocean conditions first. Alternatively, consider a guided boat tour for a smoother experience. Entering the cave with rough waves can be dangerous, and we learned that after our trip, they were no longer allowing tourists to go in by kayak alone or by swimming, due to visitors getting hurt near the entrance. Boat and kayak tours are now the only way to see Benagil Cave from below. Ponta da Piedade. Just park the car. This is what it looks like. From Lagos, a 10-minute car drive will bring you to Ponta da Piedade. Here you will encounter rock arches, mysterious grottos, and giant golden cliffs, towering against the turquoise waters. To reach the bottom, you will again need to descend a long set of stairs, but hey, going down is a breeze. Going up is another story. For those who enjoy long walks, there is the Ponta da Piedade coastal trail, which takes you to Praia de Dona Ana, Praia do Camilo, and Praia dos Pinheiros along the way. From this spot, we embarked on a boat trip to explore the grottos and sea caves. And despite the on and off rain, the experience was mesmerizing. The tour cost around 80 euros for the 4 of us and lasted about 60 minutes, offering incredible views of the Algarve's dramatic rock formations. Our boat driver and guide was incredibly friendly and maneuvered through the caves like a pro. He would point out shapes on the rock formations apparently given by local fishermen, such as the skull, the elephant, the heart, the camel head, and a few others. You'll see all these and more on a boat tour of Ponta da Piedade. If you're visiting in the winter, bring a waterproof jacket in case of rain, and don't let the weather deter you. The grottos are magical in any condition. We just got rained on majorly. Everybody's wet and cold. I got some sunburn yesterday, but it is what it is. So trips, this stuff happens, but it's still pretty fun. We stopped at a small local spot for lunch and loved the variety of dishes they offered, as well as how affordable it all was. We got chicken,
salmon.
And here's Dona Ana Beach. Praia da Dona Ana is another beautiful beach, just 6 minutes away from Piedade, with calm waters and family-friendly vibes.
Is it a nice beach like that?
The unique rock formations make it one of the most photographed beaches in the Algarve. It's an ideal spot to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of this region. You finding lots of seashells?
Yeah. Look how pretty this one looks, Mommy.
Let me see, turn it. Wow. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Got some cool sand castles built, huh? Yeah. So this is arriving close to the Praia dos Três Irmãos.
Turn left onto Rua Praia dos Três Irmãos.
We just arrived at Praia dos Três Irmãos, or Three Brothers Beach. Praia dos Três Irmãos, or Three Brothers Beach, is a slice of paradise. The sand area is huge, so there is much more room to lay out and enjoy without being too close to other beachgoers.
There's no seaweed at all. Hey, come here, look. See? There's no seaweed at all.
There was a section with lots of seaweed, which in turn caused the very fishy smell. I imagine that the beaches look even nicer on days without this heavy accumulation of the seaweed. The arches and caves here make it perfect for exploring or capturing stunning photos, as well as enjoying a breathtaking sunset. The soft sands and inviting waters also make it a favorite place for families. Albufeira is a lively coastal town and it is split into two sections, the Old Town and the Strip. And this is also the town where we were based at. This region was hit hard by the 1755 earthquake, with the epicenter near Lagos, and the destruction was devastating. And much of what you see today was rebuilt in the years that followed. The Old Town is very picturesque and has many historical buildings and architecture, but unfortunately we did not get to explore much of the historical side of it on this trip. Albufeira has a modern and lively feel. This area is packed with restaurants, bars and shops, and it's just a short walk to the beach. In the evenings it really comes alive, especially in the summer. It's a great area if you're looking for nightlife, easy beach access, and a more energetic atmosphere. There are many restaurants and pubs with a variety of cuisines, including Portuguese, Italian, Asian, and many others. You'll also find many souvenir and gift shops here. We stayed at the Alfagar Aparthotel in Albufeira, and it turned out to be a fantastic choice, especially if you're traveling as a family. The hotel is in a great location overlooking the ocean, with panoramic views of the Algarve coastline. Its central location also made it easy for us to explore the surrounding area and the nearby attractions. And down here we got to the beach. There's two walkways, stairways actually, and this one seems the most steep, like less breaks down. The other one kind of has straighter paths. The beach looks nice today. The water is calmer. Alright, here is the apartment. The apartments are spacious and fully equipped with everything you need in a kitchen and plenty of room to relax after a day of exploring and beach time. Apartments are available with sea or garden views. Ours was a one-bedroom overlooking the swimming pools.
Hello, we are here at the Alfagar Resort in Algarve, and today we're going to the beach if the weather let us go later on today.
The resort has several pools to choose from, including pools with water slides that are great for kids, as well as quieter areas to relax. There's even an indoor pool, which is a nice option outside of peak summer. Having lunch, burgers, coxinhas, which are like some chicken of this hamburger. During the day, you will find organized poolside activities for kids, and in the evenings, the atmosphere changes with live music and fun shows, including a fire performance. For dining, the Oliveira restaurant offers a buffet and a terrace overlooking the pool. And there's also an on-site bar with a wide selection of drinks. We loved having the option to eat on-site or grab something casual by the pool. The hotel is surrounded by beautifully kept gardens that extend into Alfagar village, giving the whole area a really open, resort-style feel.
Look at this tree over here. It's fully loaded with olives everywhere.
There's also a great range of facilities including a gym, tennis courts, and even a football pitch. You will also find a small food market on site, which is perfect if you want to pick up groceries and cook in your apartment. Our favorite drink. Caleb, what did we find? Let me see.
Got the the best in the world.
This stay was not sponsored in any way, but we would genuinely recommend Alfagar Aparthotel if you're visiting Albufeira. We'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Thanks for coming along on our journey. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more Portugal videos and travel adventures from around the world coming soon.